Okay. So, ito yung ano natin. Next pala, sorry. We're still under variables and we have this ano kasi, there's statements. Okay. Meron pa tayong ano next pa pala sa ating variables. Okay. So, we have mathematical statements. Okay. So, meron tayong mathematical statements. We have three. The first one is ito, universal statement. Okay. So, yung universal statement natin says that a certain property is true for all elements in a set. Okay? So, universal. From the term universal itself, it is true to all. Okay? True to all. An example niyan, sir. Okay, yan o. All positive numbers are greater than zero. Okay? Anong sinasabing universal dyan, part, sir? Si all. Okay? Kapag merong all, for all, every number, every real number, okay, naka-indicate na dun na true siya sa, halimbawa, every real number. True siya sa all positive numbers. True siya sa all non-zero na numbers. Okay? So, true siya dyan sa mga yan, universal. Then we have another one, the conditional statement. A conditional statement says that if one thing is true, then some other thing is also has to be true. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Okay. Condition. If the first one is true, the next one should also be true. Okay? Anong clue namin dun, sir? Nandyan na. If, tapos si then. Okay? If and then. Example natin is ito. Okay? So, if 378 is divisible by 18, nandyan na yung condition natin na if 378 is divisible by 18, then, ito na yung ano natin, 378 is divisible by 6. Okay? And then next, last, we have this one. Given a property that may or may not be true, an existential statement says that there is at least one thing for which the property is true. Okay? So, yung existential statement natin nagsasabi na meron, nag-e-exist na magpapatrue dun sa ating statement. At least one na magpapatrue dun sa ating statement. Hindi sinabing silang lahat, hindi sinabing conditional, okay? Sinasabi niya lamang na meron nga talaga. Ay, meron at meron talaga. Okay? Ayan. Let's move sa ating example. Yan, no? There is a prime number that is even. Okay? Ang basic notion natin sa prime numbers are add. Okay? Add yung prime numbers natin. Pero, meron sinasabi, may existing na prime number that is even. Okay? Even daw. Even. Ano yun? Number 2. Tama. Number 2 yun. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa ating combined statements. Right? Pwede natin pag-combinein yung ating dalawang statements. Yan. Right? Universal at saka conditional natin. We're going to have a universal conditional statement. May na-state na rule na true to all and then meron tayong biglang condition. Ano yun? Paano yun, sir? Ayan. So, yan na tayo. For all animals A, if A is a dog, then A is a mammal. Okay? Dalawa yun nandyan, class. Tama ba? For all animals A, universal. If A is a dog, then A is a mammal. Conditional. Kaya pwede naman nating restate yung ating into two more statements natin. Pwede, isa lang ibig sabihin ng tatlong to, pero pwede lang natin siya i-restate. Okay, so sa pangalawang statement, if A is a dog, then A is a mammal. Tapos, for all dogs A is a mammal. Okay? So, labelan natin itong mga to para di tayo malito. Right. So, we have a universal conditional statement. Very explicit. Bakit explicit? Halatang halata si universal at saka si conditional natin. Ano naman dito sa ating universal conditional statement, itong implicit universal, anong ginawa natin, sir? Hindi natin pinahalata na yung ating universal conditional statement ay universal conditional. Okay? Nawala si universal part. Di naman siya actually nawala. Hidden lang si universal part. Di siya halata, di siya noticeable. Okay? Ang noticeable dito ay si conditional statement kasi nga nababasa natin. If A is a dog, then A is a mammal. Pero alam naman na natin na yung A natin saan, ay, A natin dyan ay for all animals A. Ay, animal si dog. Tama ba? Animal din naman ang mammal. Okay? So yung A natin dyan, malalaman natin na yung universal statement na bibigay dyan is si A ay isa siyang animal. Okay? Si A is siyang animal. Right? And then next, we have for all dogs A. A is a mammal. Okay? For all dogs A is a mammal. Implicit yung ating conditional dito. Hindi nahalata si condition, pero meron at meron si condition. Anong condition yun? Na dapat si A ay aso. Okay? Dapat si A dog. Okay? Anong klaseng dog, sir? All dogs. Oh, pero naka-specify na dapat yung A natin aso. Okay? Nasabi dyan, dapat yung A natin aso. Yun yung condition. Pero hindi siya halatang condition. Bakit? Kasi nga nakasulat for all dogs. For all dogs. Oh, ay isipin mo universal yon. Pero, naka-indicate kasi na yung A natin dapat aso. Ay, for all dogs A. For all dogs A. For all animals A. O, pwede pa yon. Universal yon. Pero dyan, for all dogs A. Pero si A, di ba, is an animal since yung pangalawa natin is mammal. Di ba? A, for all dogs A, tapos A is A, mammal. Okay? So, A natin is animals. Oo, nasa universal yon. Pero, naka-indicate kasi dito na incorporate na natin dito yung conditional part na for all animals and that animal is a dog. Okay, dun na nagkaroon ng condition na yung animal natin dapat dog. So, yun. Let's move sa ating ano. I think we have an example dito sa ating combined statements. Yan. Okay, meron tayong example. For all real numbers x, if x is non-zero, then x squared is positive. Kaya ano to? Ano mangyari dito, sir? I-restate natin tong statement na to. Equal universal conditional. Okay? So, meron tayong ano dito. Ayan. Okay, may 5 tayo, class. Okay, so, i-restate natin 5 more times yung ating ating statement yun sa taas. So, una, if a real number is non-zero, okay, if a real number is non-zero, then its square is positive. Okay? Yun lang yun. Ganun lang yun, guys. For all non-zero real numbers, x, anong pupuna dyan? Okay? For all non-zero real numbers, ang pupuna dyan ay x squared is positive. Okay? Next natin, if x is a non-zero, I think if x is a non-zero real number, then x squared is positive. Yun natin lalabas dito eh. Tama. Okay? So, if x is a non-zero real number, then x squared is positive. Okay? Next na yun. Next. The square of any non-zero real number is malamang sa malamang. Positive yan. Okay? And then, all non-zero real numbers have, siyempre, positive squares. Okay? Positive squares. Ayan. So, yan yung ating ayan, example natin na itong 5 statements natin dito, isa lang yung ibig sabihin, class. Yun nandun lang din sa taas. Okay? Na-restate lang siya. Okay, let's move. Combined statements, universal, existential. Anong nangyayari dyan, sir? Universal. Okay? Meron tayong for all, syempre. Existential. Nagsasabing may existence. Pinagsama natin yon. Anong kakalabasan, sir? Let's try this one. Every real number has an additive inverse. Okay? Saan dyan yung universal part? Ito. Yan yung universal part. Yan, every real number. Tapos, ito yung ating existential part. Yan, every real number, tapos has an additive inverse. Yan, okay? So, sir, paano yan, sir? Una kasi, every real number, it states a universal rule. Ay, universal statement. Every real number nga sinabi niya. Ngayon naman, ito, has. Anong sinasabi ng has? There is something. Okay? There is an existence. Okay? Something exists that for every real number, there is a additive inverse. Okay? Yung ganun yung nangyayari. So, let's see kung paano nga talaga to. Okay, so, tignan natin. Example natin, class. Every pot. Every pot na lang muna yung mangyayari dyan. Every pot. Yun yung universal. Has a lid. Yun yung existential. Okay, so i-restate natin siya into 3. Yan. Tatlong beses lang. Hindi na natin yan. Tatlong beses lang to, class. So, all pots have lids. All pots have lids. Okay, next. For all pots P, there is a lid for P. Okay, next. For all pots P, there is a lid L such that L is a lid for P. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, okay na tayo dyan. Universal and existential. Okay, so, may nag-exist na lead para sa path P. Yun yung sinasabi ng ating statement. Okay? Yan. Next natin, we have your existential universal. Existential universal natin. Paano yun? Mas nauna yung existential. Mas naunang nabanggit yung existence ng something before yung universal. Paano yun, sir? Yung existing something na yon, dun lang magre-revolve yung universal statement natin. Yung existing, na-limit yung universal natin. Although universal pa rin siya, saan siya universal? Dun sa nag exist na something na sinasabi. Okay, so let's see. Ay, sorry. Yan. Okay. So there is a positive integer that is less than or equal to every positive integer. Okay. Ayan o. Yan o. Ito. Okay. So, there is a positive integer. There exists a positive integer that is less than or equal to every positive integer. Okay. Yun yung sinasabi niya eh. There exists. Okay. Muna. Tapos nagbigay siya ng universal rule para dun sa nag exist na positive integer. Okay? Let's move to the example para makita nyo kung anong nangyayari dito. Example natin, ito. Yan natin, yan, no? Tatlong beses ulit. Okay? So there is a person in my class who is at least as old as every person in my class. Okay? So nauna na talaga, there is a person, there exists a person in my class. Dun muna tayo. Yun yung existential part. Next dyan is, who is at least as old as every person in my class? Yan yung universal part. Paano yan naging universal? Sir, wala naman kaming nakikitang for all. Wala naman kaming nakikitang every. Yung nangyari kasi, etong who is at least as old as every person in my class is the universal statement for the existing person in the class. Okay? For that existing person in the class. Tama ba? Universal. Universal siya. Para lang dun sa nag-exist na person na sinasabi. Okay? So, let's move. Some person in my class is at least as old as every person in my class. Tama. Okay? So, there is a person P in my class such that P is at least as old as every person in my class. Tapos, there is a person P in my class with the property that for every person Q in my class, P is at least as old as Q. Okay? So, ganun lang yan. Okay? Ganun lang yun, class. Yan yung next ano natin sa ating ano. That is the last part for our variables. Okay, variables. Variables pa lang yan. Move tayo sa language of sets next video. Okay, so thank you.